and more open, hoping it would never say goodbye, never say goodbye. Holding on to never say goodbye. I'm dedicating this song to my gorgeous wife. Remember days of skipping school, racing car and being cool, with a six-pack and a radio. We didn't need no place to go. Remember having a problem, you and me, we had a fight, but the bad played our favorite song, and I held you in my arms so close. We went so slow, and I swear let you know. Never say goodbye. Say goodbye. You and me, hoping it would never say goodbye. Never say goodbye. Holding on, we gotta try. Holding on to never say goodbye. Hey, I'm looking at you, baby. My boys, never say goodbye to me, huh? Hoy, birthday ko. Pati yung mapalakpak. Okay, next song is the birthday celebrant herself. All the way from Asian Hospital Medical Center at Apos Ayala Alabang Village. She came from Assumption College, all the way from grade school, high school, college, and the lousy school of Palasan. Medical school in Victor Giraldo de La Salle University again.
Video.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Dr. Patrick Buendia.
Ito parang Mayweather ah.
Sombok. Ask a friend.
Call a friend.
Hindi sa kanya. Alam na kami kay kanya.
Last one.